Today we're reviewing the OCK Nate. This knife comes with this nice little folding box and a sticker. Pretty nice little knife. A little big for me, but this knife is nice wood with titanium finish on the handle. See if I can. There we go. It is spring assisted. Comes with a little glass breaker. It has OCK. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. There we go. Has Nate on the blade. It is, let's see here, about 9 inches long. Blade is about 4 inches long, I'd say. Nice knife to carry. It is spring assisted, so if you like that, perfect for you. Has a strong belt clip and won't shake that much because the bolts are on different sides. The wood is pretty cool. So all in all, this is a great knife. Link will be in the description to buy it. I can get you guys 10% off. Just look down there for the code. Thanks. Have a good day.